on the intersection down the city now.
They haven't given out a color.
Alright, I'll be with them. D23 on primary. TVI.
Yeah, go ahead.
One running. He's heading northbound into the tree line.
Running into the tree line.
Running, dispatch. Running.
Vehicle's clear. Give me a 10-11.
B5, D23, go ahead, get that roadway open. Set up a perimeter around those woods. We get drones, dogs, see whatever you need. No.
10-4. We do have a fuel spill as well. Gas tanks busted.
Fuel spill. Fire department.
Northbound! Yeah. Y'all got drones or anything?
Nope. Hey, I'm gonna hand you over.
How many people ran from the vehicle?
Just one person ran northbound. We do have a dog on the ground now.
One here,
They get him?
We got one in custody.
This guy?
Yeah.
10-4.
Is it just one that?
Yeah, just one ran.
West City. Give us a 10-11. Also, hold about TDOT, see if we can get that closer.